Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. Welcome back once again to the Making Masterclass, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, we have a brain teaser. Can you solve it within 10 seconds? Look at the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you get the answer? All right, let's see what to do here. It says I am a number when you multiply me by 5 and subtract 7. So we say let the number be y. Let the number be y. Now, when we multiply this number by 5, multiply by 5, we'll have 5 times y, which is equals to 5y. All right, then after we've multiplied by 5, the next instruction says subtract 7. That means take away 7 from this. So subtract 7, we have that this is 5y minus 7. So the result we get is 18. So we set up our equation. Our result is 18. So that is 5y minus 7 equals to 18. So this is the equation we have set up. All right, let's solve from here. So 5y minus 7 equals to 18. Add 7 to both sides. Now this becomes 5y minus 7 plus 7 equals to 18 plus 7. So 7 we cancel 7. So we have 5y is equals to this plus this is 25. Now when we get here, we divide both sides by 5, and that's all. So 5y over 5 is equals to 25 over 5. 5 we cancel 5, 5 here 1, 5 here 1. Y is equals to 5 here 1, 5 here 5. Y is equals to 5. Did you get it? All right, you can check if your answer is correct by substituting the value of 5 into this. When you multiply the number by 5, 5 times 5 is 25. When you subtract 7 from 25, you will get 18. I hope you have learned something in today's class. If you enjoyed the video, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Masterclass, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. To meet again in the next class. Keep practicing. If you're yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next math class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.